How to turn on SMS on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn on SMS on your iPhone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's get started. So the first step here is open up your settings app. After you open up your settings app, scroll down all the way till you find the apps section. So tap on apps after you find it and then search for messages. Head over to messages, and after you're on your messages, scroll down again. Scroll down all the way. There you should find an option that says send as text message. Toggle that button on. Now all the message that you send will be sent as SMS and not as iMessage. And yeah, it's that simple. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and stay tuned for more.